In a time when people are gradually drifting away from each other and the sense of togetherness within families is declining, a special seminar highlighting the importance of family was organized in Vadodara under the theme Parivar Pratham Family Harmony for Business Growth. The event was held at the Sir Sayaji Rao Gaikwad Nagar Grah and was organized by the Supreme Divine International Association, Madhya Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, JITO Vadodara, and RGB Business Growth Consulting. The seminar invited families to attend together and focus on the idea that when a family is peaceful, business becomes powerful. Well-known business guru and motivational speaker Rakesh Jain addressed the audience and shared practical management principles to balance professional success with a happy and grounded family life. Drawing from his experience with hundreds of business families, he explained that people often spend most of their time earning wealth while staying away from their loved ones, but real success comes when the family remains happy and united. He encouraged business owners to dedicate quality time to their families, emphasizing that family support is the true foundation behind long-term success in life and business.
My name is Rakesh Jain, and I am basically a family business mentor and a coach. In Baroda city, I have worked with almost, close to 450 plus families. The whole theme of our work is to create family harmony for the purpose of business growth. Today, the way India is growing and the way things are positively changing, it becomes very essential for the entire family to work together and the extended family in terms of the employees and other stakeholders. If we really work together with the right vision, with the right strategy, with a very, very good level of alignment and strong execution, we would be able to really build sustainable, profitable, respectable enterprises. So the intention of Parivar Pratham is first refine the inner world, the outer world will be taken care by itself. So today we will be talking about a lot of small scientifically backed subjects to really make sure that we are progressing with happiness. We call it as growth with happiness. And I wish to thank the Central Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Supreme Divine International Association and Laghu Udyog Bharati, JITO and so many other bodies who have really wholeheartedly supported this movement, and looking forward to a great evening. Thank you so much.
नमस्ते, मैं मृगांक तिवारी सुप्रीम डिवाइन इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन का मेंबर हूं। हमारी संस्था का काम है एजुकेशन अपडेशन अवेयरनेस पे काम करता हूं शहर को। आज की डेट में समाज में बिजनेस और परिवार को एक साथ में चलाने के लिए हमको ऐसा लगा कि ऐसे प्रोग्राम की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है। इसी को ध्यान में रख करके शहर में समाज को कुछ अपडेट कर पाएँ, एक परिवार और बिजनेस को कैसे हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं, साथ में रह करके कैसे खुशहाल परिवार रह सकता है, उसी को ध्यान में रख करके प्रोग्राम करने से। थैंक यू।